Good morning, guys. This is our third day in Morocco, and from Marrakesh, we are traveling to Agadir. It's a city along Morocco's southern Atlantic coast. In short, lipat tayo sa may karagatan. This is around 3 to 4 hours land travel. We rented a car din pala na nag-tour sa amin dun sa may Marrakesh. Siyempre, kasali na yung driver dyan. O, diba? Parang nasa T-Plex lang. Kaso, puro disyerto ang view. We stopped by a convenience store para magmerienda. And guess what? After that, midway, nasiraan pa kami. So we needed to wait for a rescue galing sa mga kasamahan ng driver namin. This place, medyo parang malayo sa kabihasnan. Walang mga shops nearby. Halos mga 1 to 2 hours din kaming naghintay. Kaya ayan, nag-TikTok muna. Pak! Diba? Tapos nag-picture-picture din. Marami pa yan. Pero hindi ko na nilagay. Until dumating na yung driver.
One eternity later.
After how many hours, finally nakarating na rin kami dito sa Les Dunes d'Or kung saan kami magsistay for 3 days and 2 nights. So, check-in muna. Puntahan na natin ang ating mga rooms. Pero, medyo mahabang lakad pa to. And then, dito na tayo sa room. So, room tour muna tayo. So, pagpasok mo sa left is the toilet and bath. And then, may bathtub dun sa gilid. And then, this is the bedroom na. So, may tables, television, tapos may twin bed dyan. Tapos, may mga water na nakalagay, mga coffee, mga as usual lang. Tapos, may balcony rin. Okay, let's go out. So, yan. 2 chairs. Tas yan yung view ng dagat. Ganda. After settling down sa room, naglakad-lakad lang kami sa may labas. Habang hinihintay yung iba namin kasama kasi maghanap na kami ng kakainan for dinner. This is around 5:30 na din kasi. Maraming kainan at pubs malapit dito sa hotel. Kaya lang dito kami sa La Lampara kumain, which is around 10 minutes walk from the hotel. Wala pala akong nakuha ng video that time, pero picture na lang. Yan kami, and then ito lang yung kinain ko. Di ko na alam kung anong tawag dyan.
The next day.
Good morning, guys! This is our breakfast. This breakfast is a buffet included sa stay namin. So, kain lang tayo, guys. Dahil later, try natin magtampisaw sa beach nila. Afternoon, we went to Hammam, which is a traditional public steam bath and social gathering space for hygiene, purification, and relaxation. It involves a process of steam-induced exfoliation with a black soap and a Kesa glove for deep skin cleansing. It is followed by rinsing and then a massage with argan oil. Syempre wala nang picture at video yan kasi nag-relax nga eh. Since it's our last night here in Morocco, we had our steak night here in the Maxwell restaurant. Masarap naman dyan, tas maganda rin. Maingay nga lang kasi parang dyan nanonood yung mga tao ng football.
The next day.
Hi guys, this is our last day in Morocco. So nagpicture-picture lang kami and then nag-check out na din. May tour pa kami after kasi 5:30 pa yung flight namin pabalik.
A few moments later.
Since dito nga yung dagat, dito din yung Port of Agadir. Halos dito din nangyayari lahat ng ungkatan ng mga fish products around Morocco. So, andito kami dito sa may mga yacht. Ganda. Nearby sa Port of Agadir, aakyatin mo ang Kasbah of Agadir Ofella. This is a historical landmark in Agadir, Morocco that housed the old city of Agadir, which was affected by the earthquake that was struck in 1960. This was originally designed to protect the city and its port from foreign attacks, especially those coming from the sea. Located kasi ito sa taas ng bundok, overlooking yung buong Agadir and yung karagatan. Our last stop is Souk El Had, which is one of the biggest souk in Morocco. Dito kami bumili ng souvenirs before kami bumalik. And then yan, nagpicture na lang kami sa airport with our driver. And that's it, guys. Thank you so much for traveling with us on this Moroccan adventure. See you on the next one. Bye!